What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrencies with some serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. For those of you who want the little additive edge in the trading field, follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys with your entries and exits. Those of you who want to know more about my life, just follow me on Instagram, guys. Some amazing times. Lots of good things to be had. Gosh, with the infancy stages of a currency, it's just so easy to make handful loads of money right now, guys. It is just epic. If you're not making serious gains, reach out to me today and get started. Wanted to go over a few different coins today, including Electroneum and Bitcoin, some amazing projects. I wanted to go over exactly what I found in the patterns and help you guys make some better gains. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, I'm going to start with Electroneum. Now I've already done this one all out for you guys, even just from the last video. And just like I was talking about, we were going to get a little bounce off the resistance here of the pattern. Guys, exactly that happened. It doesn't get any better than this. Nice little chaining opportunities here. Play those patterns within patterns to make this reality. And then, for instance, cross the road, starting on the 1 hour, going all the way down to the 15, so you can really label out these patterns. And notice you get the clear indication plays right on the movement. Okay, right there, right there, right there, and right there, and we are moving sideways as we speak. Remember, we're going to retest the 200 right here, even minimally on the 15, and then wait for the stotch to be loaded up, for instance, on the bigger time frames. Okay, so for instance, go back up to the 1 hour, wait for the stotch to get loaded up down here, so then you can expect a more bullish move, hopefully retesting trend and retesting this resistance here. A breakout of this pattern is imminent. Okay, I believe we will be going up here, but we could be going sideways first. For instance, we could have a head and shoulders pattern right here forming out with a very clear point of support, guys. Okay, so if we end up breaking that, guys, use target projection here, measured from the head of the head and shoulders pattern to the potential breakout, guys, and that's where we'll end up. Okay, now if we actually surpass the shoulder and we start to retest resistance, I'd put in a nice quick little long and ride that up into at least over bought territory. Okay, or use target projection on the descending broadening channel here, guys. Easy stuff all day, and that's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. Let me know in the comments if you actually played that play from last video and made some good gains, guys. Definitely some epic gains to be had here. All right, let's jump right over to Bitcoin. And guys, by the way, I'm going to be going to ETH Denver within the next few hours. It's actually about it's about 3:17 in the morning right now. Hey, success never sleeps, guys. I want you guys making as much money as you can, and that means that you have to stay up late sometimes, quite simply. So a lot of people were talking about a head and shoulders pattern right here, but it looks like we did get rejected right here by the support, and we're still kind of working on it. And maybe now we have the potential head and shoulders pattern as well. So let's see how this plays out. We could end up with just something like a double top, okay? Like for instance, something like this, and then like that. And then we could get maybe another bounce up. We could get a triple top here, guys. There's a lot of pressure right now, okay? Bitcoin wants to pop. It wants to break what was a polar support, now resistance. And as soon as it does that, guys, we can hope for a continuation movement, okay? But like I said, we're kind of just in between this range right now, okay? And we're going to be moving sideways for about, another 4.5, 5 weeks, okay? If it bursts sooner, great. But if not, it just means a higher top and more elongated bull cycle and better gains when we get the parabolic run up, guys. And that's totally fine with me. And that's basically what I'm looking at in the Bitcoin price. Now let's jump up just to the higher time frame just to get a big look at what's going on here. So we were in this descending tightening channel for some time now, guys, and we finally broke out of it. Many moves. I mean, I had a field day right here, guys. I remember you guys did too. And right here, guys, as soon as we break this channel, we can hope for a continuation movement and hopefully regain the top of this channel here. Okay, even just using wedge theory, okay, measured from the back to the point of breakout. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Got the wrong one. Okay. No matter what, looking at around a 55 Bitcoin here. Okay, so in essence, if we can continue this movement going and break this what was polar support, now resistance, we can expect to see this move actually continue up to this target projection. Otherwise, guys, we will rebound back down, retest what is polar support. If we break it, working back into this wedge. Now, guys, I know when you leave a pattern so strongly, it's not exactly relevant, but understand we're going to get moments of oversold and overbought territory, quite simply. Okay? So what we do need is to see a walk up and not a walk down, and watch the volume for that, guys. When you see the volume go above the volume moving average, you can expect a continuation movement or a movement in general. Okay? Usually you'll find these moments coincide with a breaking of the moving average in congruency with another indication play of some kind. Okay, the 7 and the 20, the Bollinger Bands, the Stotch, the MACD. You guys get the idea. Use the MACD for a late confirmation, by the way, guys, especially designations 12 and 26. Alright, guys, and that's exactly what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Make sure your bags are packed, guys. This super cycle is going to yield some amazing gains, and I want to make sure that you guys have seriously made some epic profit from it. There are no excuses why you should not be making hand over fist money in this market. And guys, I'm going to be at ETH Denver. For any of you that actually see me, come up and say hello. I'd be happy to take a picture with you guys and talk to you guys about the technicals or any of the coins that you guys are interested in right now. There's so much gains to be had. Remember, guys, we got about 26, 27 years to make a lot of money in the infancy stages of this current. We might have just left it, actually. But understand, the development of a currency usually takes about 40 years. So we have a lot of time, guys. Don't feel like you've ever missed the boat. You can still get in on these amazing, amazing gains, and make sure that you are playing with the utmost attention here, guys. You want to be making sure you're maximizing your profit margin in these times. You only get these kind of opportunities once in a lifetime, to be honest, and once in a lifetime can mean 20 years. Make it happen for your family. Leave generational wealth. I always say, if you're not making $1 million a year, you're just playing games. And guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.